Hello? Hey girl, what you doing? I'm at the shop getting my hair done by Stylist John. Girl, he do sew-ins? Yes, girl, he can do a lot of things. Girl, what all sew-ins can he do? Girl, he can do a half sew-in, a full sew-in, side part, vixen, two-part vixen, swoop bang, 360 lace front. He even sells hair. Girl, you should book your appointment with him.
Break down on your hair, what style do you need? I can do them all, I'ma treat you like a queen. Let go of your cash while I'm sewing in your hair. Here's a glass of bubbly chocolate strawberries I care. I'ma pamper you, you can take off of your shoes and just sit back while I do your due. It's just gonna be a few hours like two. Then I'ma cut and style up your hair anew. I'ma help maintenance your hair. Come back every month, I'ma refresh your threads and your hair every month. In the process it will grow closer to the flow. Your natural hair will grow relentless like Rapunzel to the flow. I got inches, I got inches, I got inches, I got inches. Girl, swing your hair, girl, swing your hair. I got inches, I got inches, I got inches, I got inches. Stylist John did my sewing, girl, let him do your sewing. I got inches, I got inches, I got inches, I got inches. Girl, swing your hair, girl, swing your hair. I got inches, I got inches, I got inches, I got inches. Stylist John did my sewing, girl, let him do your sewing. Every time you come to me, I'ma grow your hair or your scalp, stick your leave all that slick down your baby hair. Girl, with sewing, would you